A smart energy meter is an electronic device which measures the amount of electricity consumed by a residence, business or any electrically powered device. AiT is offering various power management solutions for smart energy meter application. This is a basic block diagram of smart energy meter, which includes power supply section, storage, AC input section, human interface, communication and sensors. In DC power supply and battery management section, AiT offers wide range of DC-DC buck and boost converters, LDO regulators, voltage reference and battery management solutions. Next is AC power section. In AC power section, AiT supports bridge rectifier, ferrite bead, load switch and shunt references in AC-DC flyback section. Also support for LDO regulators and buck boost converters in AC-DC capacitive drop section. In user interface section, we support ESD protection diodes in the wired and wireless communications section. AiT offers wide range of EEPROM memory ICs which can be used in energy meter application for storage purpose, and a high sensitivity Hall sensor for hamper detection. Here is the complete application block diagram for a broad reference. Yellow highlighted are all categories served by AiT. For samples and more details you can send us email at sales@ait-ic.com. We will be happy to support you. For more information please visit us at ait-ic.com. Thank you.